Today I decided I'm going to fit an under sink water filter and you're going to come along with me. So this is what a typical sink would look like. You have your hot and cold feed coming through and then going straight up to your tap. Now the way they try to recommend you install these filters is you take your cold feed, which is this one, and instead of going straight to your tap, you'll bypass that, you'll go to your filter, and then you'll go from the filter back to your tap. And those filter cartridges are quite expensive. So instead I bought a three-way tap. And what that will do is allow me to only filter the drinking water, not general use water that I'm using to wash my hands, etc. So this is the tap I purchased. As you can see, you've got your standard hot and cold feed, which will be connected to them valves you just saw. But you also have this separate hose here, which is purely for drinking water. So hopefully now you can see what I've done here. So we've still got a hot and cold feed. As you can see, the cold is still going along there up to the tap. Still got a hot going along here and up to the tap. What I've done is I've put in a branch here, a T-piece, and I've teed off it and brought a hose all the way up to here into the water filter, and then from the water filter to our third hose, hot, cold, and if I want drinking water, but once the tap was installed, just connecting all of these hoses took no more than about 10 minutes. So I've got ordinary tap water in this one, and I've got filtered water in this one. I'm going to get the missus to try both of them and tell me which one she thinks is filtered. So I've got filtered water and tap water in each one of these cups. I want you to take a sip and tell me if you can taste which one is what.
I feel like that one's the filtered.
It is correct.